Dear Class 2 students, welcome back to online class. Today we will study from chapter 3 and the name of the chapter is Randolph the Reindeer. First, let's understand what reindeer is. Reindeer is a kind of deer with large horns that lives in cold places. Look at the picture. There are so many reindeer, but pointing only at one deer, look at this, he is Randolph. He was a very shy reindeer. When the other reindeer trotted together merrily, lifting their heads and tossing their antlers from side to side, he was standing in a corner quietly because he was too shy. He put his head down and then he nibbled the small plants on the ground. Do you know why Randolph always puts his head down? Because he was too shy to lift up his head. And while the other reindeer were playing in the woods, Randolph was too shy that he kept on nibbling the plants. So one of the reindeer shouted at him, "Randolph, you are too shy. Be show off like us." But then, even though the reindeer was shouting at him to be show off like them, Randolph kept on nibbling the plants. He did not even look up. And while he was eating the plants, he could hear some children shouting and playing. They were also sliding down the snowy hillside. Randolph wanted to join the children, but he was too shy to join them. So he continued to nibble the small plants. While his head was down, he found several things on the ground. And those things are a woolen hat, a mitten. Do you know a mitten? A mitten is a glove without fingers to keep the hand warm. And then a long skirt. These are the three things that Randolph found on the ground. So all at once, his nose began to twitch. Twitch means move suddenly and quickly. And then, do you know what happened? He saw a little boy lying by the side of his sledge. Sledge means a vehicle that moves on snow or ice. The boy was laying on the ground near the trees, and the boy looked sad. So when Randolph saw the boy lying near the trees, Randolph knelt down, he bent on his knee, and then he said, "I will help you. Don't be sad." And he also told the boy to climb on his back so that he could take him home. When Randolph told the boy that he would take him home, the boy slipped his arm around the reindeer's neck and he climbed on his back. And very soon, Randolph took the boy home safely. And after this, the boy called him as his hero. Do you know why the boy called him Randolph his hero? Because he took him home safely. And this also made Randolph so happy that he started lifting his head and tossing his antlers from side to side like the other reindeer. This is all about the story of Randolph the reindeer. So, your assignment for today will be, if you go to page 19, your assignment will be word meaning. You have to learn the following word meaning with spelling. Then you have to write it down in your notebook. Trotted. The first word is trotted. Trotted means ran slowly. Number 2, merrily. Merrily means happily. Number 3, antlers. Antlers means the horns of a deer. Number 4, woods. Woods is a place with many trees. 5, Mitten, a glove without fingers to keep the hand warm. Number 6, twitch, move suddenly and quickly. Number 7, sledge, a vehicle that moves on snow or ice. Number 8, nibble, ate in a very small bites. So these are your assignment. All the students are requested to write down in your notebook and to learn them with spelling. Thank you.